Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix iPhone incoming caller screen is not displaying after updating to iOS 17. So guys, if the incoming caller screen is not displaying on your iPhone after updating to iOS 17 version, there could be several reasons for this issue. So guys, here are some troubleshooting steps to help you address this problem. First of all, you have to do is check do not disturb mode. First, ensure that you have not accidentally enabled Do Not Disturb mode, which silences calls and notifications. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to access Control Center and check if the crescent moon icon is activated. If it is, then tap on it and disable it. After this, then you have to do is check for call settings. Go to your settings, go to phone. After this, then you have to make sure silence unknown caller is turned off. This setting can cause your iPhone to silence incoming calls from unknown numbers. After this, then you have to do is restart your iPhone 15 or the iPhone you are using. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve software glitches. You have to open your settings, tap on General, scroll down and then tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting doesn't work, then you have to do is check for iOS update. Ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS 17. Apple release updates that address software glitches and issues. So you have to open your software update and check if there is an available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. After trying this all solution and you're still facing the issue again and again, then you have to do is reset all settings on your iPhone. If the issue persists, try resetting all settings on your iPhone. This will not erase your personal data but will reset all settings to their default values. To do this, simply have to open your General, go to Transfer Reset iPhone, tap on Reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.